It's hard because you're everything from Coast Guard to border protection. I mean, it's such a vast agency, but you're the federal agency and you're a small part of the iceberg. You are tasked with working with state and local. I mean, that's a big part of DHS, and I see a lot of problems with federal trying to work with state and local because the IT systems are different. You can't share the data. You can't. I mean, even just with geospatial data, you've licensed a lot of data from companies like GeoEye, but you're not allowed to share it with local until like 24 hours before an emergency, in which case the locals aren't going to learn a new application 24 hours before. So there's all that kind of stuff. But I would say, since such a big part of your charter is to lead the way and work with other agencies and collaborate, the more that you lock down your systems and make it only to your one little part of DHS, that really defeats the mission. So just things like cloud-based collaboration, if nothing else, even if you're not putting your email out there, documents, how do you work with state and local, with your current IT systems? And I think that's where a lot of these, new technologies can help you unstovepipe, and reach out and collaborate with others. And then, of course, things like geospatially, Google Earth, Google Maps, you can publish data securely, to people who have access to your network. They can see your data. Meanwhile, tiles are being pulled from Google for the background. But yeah, I mean, I would see one of the biggest things I see in DHS is just you're hamstrung when you try to collaborate outside of DHS.